Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to listen to the church bells at 1 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. Today is Saturday, January 4th, 2026. We have about 5 more minutes. It's 12:55 right now. We are actually at the St. Luke's Church today. So, oh, sorry. Wow. -7? I'll put my hoodie up. Sounds great, you said?
It's gonna have to be.
Alright, when it's 12:56, I'll go out. I'll start at 12.
Let me wait 1 moment.
Oh.
12:57, please. Jeez.
What in the world of heck? When it's 12:57, I'll run.
Please be careful. It's really cold.
Alright.
You run right back here.
Alright.
If
Alright,
you feel too cold, you're plugged in.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Alright. Oh, finally, we made it. So many cars right now. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, this thing is too bright. Oh, sorry. 2 more minutes. So cold today. It's like 12 degrees. But luckily I have my jacket on to keep me safe. But I can see that other bell over there. Oh god. 12:58. Just about 2 more minutes. Come on, 12:59. Okay. Jeez. Wow. What just happened? Oops. Oh, sorry. 1 more minute. Oh, thank God. It's gonna chime in about 20 seconds. Alright, here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Alright. But didn't you hear that, guys?
What happened?
Oh my god.
What happened?
While I was hearing the bells to wait, a dog barked at me.
Oh, in a car?
Yeah.
Oh boy. That's so silly. Is it freezing out there? Oh, my baby.
Alright. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos coming soon to Whittle Top 15. Goodbye, guys.